This is Mr. Kent, and I'm here with Skyrim Panda. Say hi.
Hello.
He's gonna be with me when I'm doing the Skyrim series, and yeah, it's pretty laggy. See, every time I go somewhere, I have to load. It's like crashes, so I have to pause and then go in there. So you won't see the loading screen, but it just like crashes. It's really annoying. But yeah, we're gonna, me and Thomas are gonna make like a Icelandic episode for them who are Icelandic. Oh,
Shit, wolves.
they're not a big problem actually.
No.
And yeah, I just made my character here. Oh,
What the fuck?
what the fuck was that? I just made my character. It's a girl, dark elf with a little. Wait, I'm gonna let you see her face. Yeah, here's this. It's a girl, dark elf. He has a little war paint, and his name is Stephanie, actually. And we just got finished making her and get out of the first dungeon. So
Yeah, we always like got
it takes too much time, so it didn't wanna make you suffer by making you have to hold out through all that.
Yeah.
So, where is my time counter? I don't know actually. Oh, there it is. Hold on a second. What the hell is this? The window. Wait, I have to do that. What the? What's happening again?
If you can see the mouse, it's some kind of lag. We don't know what it is.
Yeah, it happens sometimes. No, that's not my screencast-o-matic time counter. Oh, what the hell? So yeah, we're not actually gonna be doing anything this episode. Just telling you we are gonna start the series. Just like yeah, we don't know when, but this is it. Just a pretty short. So bye.